Hey, control the trade here. Taking a look at spot. It's 11:55 Friday. This is definitely not a good time to trade, but spot is in a nice slow downtrend here, so I think it's worth a low risk move with a high probability move that we're going to go lower here. Looks like maybe the low is already put in for the day, 322.51. Let me take a smaller time frame here. Yep, 322.51. I think you can also see the 20 period moving average on the 10-minute chart, flipping down to 27.62. Good place to short this would probably be around 326.25 if it tries to challenge this candle here. It's just moving so slow. There's no volume on it either. Usually on Fridays things are slow anyway, and we had this big low, this big breakdown candle here. You have kind of a bear flag pattern on the 10-minute chart forming here. Yeah, if you look at the 1 hour chart, there's a lot of overhead resistance here. I like to look at a bunch of different time frames for intraday, but my go-to is the 10-minute chart. So we've almost got up to 326 already. So I'm glad I didn't do anything yet. 326.24 would be a good area to short. I think I said that already. Up to 327.50, 327.60. I think even 326.25, somewhere around that. No, there's 326.24. Look at that. We never closed above 326.25. So it's still in this little downtrend here. 325 is also a psychological number. Getting below that will probably bring us lower prices. Plus you're in a downtrend for the day. Down. So I really want to take a short position on this. I think it's worth waiting. So I'm going to set an alert. 325.99. Let's just see what the chart looks like at that time. Again, I don't recommend day trading at this hour. Usually the best time to do it is from 9:30 a.m. Eastern to 11. After that, it's just a slow grind. Let's look at what's going on with Wells Fargo. Looks like it got rejected up here on the 10-minute chart. If it gets rejected here on the my blue line's the 20 period moving average, and we'll probably go lower unless it busts out of this downtrend here. Let me take a look at some other alerts that might have gone off earlier and I missed them. PBF looking interesting. Let's see what the opening range high was. 819. Have we closed above that? 820. I'm kind of like this now. Close 819.5. This one I'm going to take. I think it's definitely worth taking a position on right now for a swing trade and also maybe a day trade. It's running too slow, although there's pretty good volume on it. I'm going to go ahead and add some shares. I like this. Maybe let's see where the red line is. That's my 50 period moving average, 816. The low of this candle is 814.5. So this is a good area to buy. Where did we close? 815, right above this candle low. So now if we break back above 816, 819, 816, 819, somewhere in that area, I think we'll start seeing higher prices. I might be able to wait and even buy it down here at 806, 807. Yeah, I think that's a good area. I'm going to put a buy in at 807. I had mentioned in one of my tweets that I had INO. I only had 100 shares going for 1058, 1057, and got rejected from there. Pretty crazy. There it is. And there's my 10 for support. This is where I was selling here earlier this morning. When it hit here, I was sold at 994. I was selling at 9 in the high 9s and 999. Once it broke 10, I started to buy again. Wrote it up here. Was selling the whole way. But you got to be careful because it could easily flush below that. So you guys just see how it performs. I'm going to set an alert here at 10:05. And let's take a look and see how everything else is going so far. Let's see Spotify. Still looking good for a short here. We'll come back and check on it later.